Welcome to the Improve phase. During the Improve phase, you will define objectives and guidelines, develop lists of potential solutions or improvements, select and validate solutions or improvements, and implement planning and execution. At this point, most of your improvements have already been made. Throughout each step of this project process, you have been gathering new information while evaluating previous information. Improvements have been made collectively based upon this evaluation process. You can end your venture here unless your project is still not meeting your goals. In that case, additional work is necessary. If your project is still failing to meet goals, optimizing the process may be easier than project redesign. Statistical design of experiments, or DOE, can help to estimate optimal levels before actually jumping in with major modifications, which may utilize extreme resources. Is DOE indicated? What are the optimal levels of performance? The black belt should review data to determine the answers to those questions. All findings should be reported accordingly. Process optimization is a 5-step process illustrated below. Each phase should be conducted independently, each with a detailed review to determine if the project should be ongoing or if it should be redesigned at this time. Before jumping ahead to the end, benchmarking, or acknowledging the best practices in the process, is mandatory. The black belt should identify what is to be benchmarked, identify comparative companies, determine data collection methods, collect data on benchmarks, identify gaps, identify causes for the gaps, estimate future performance levels, and establish functional goals. Similar to the original map that was designed to illustrate the current state of process, a new map should now be designed to illustrate the future of the process. How would you like the process to appear, including benchmark findings? After mapping this out, it should be relatively easy to see the difference between now and the future. Stakeholders may find this to be extremely beneficial. Some projects may include more improvement than others and to varying degrees. Regardless, the Improve phase is complete when all deliverables have been accepted. Once the project has successfully completed, a formal presentation should be delivered with proper recognition where applicable. Congratulations!